students, wish you warmly welcome to the new session of English 11 Science in AV School. Today we are going to learn the topic Application Writing Part 2. In this part we will learn some application writing as a practice. Dear students, here some questions are there. Draft an application in response to the following advertisement. Ajay Parmar from 17 Raj Society, Gandhi Road, Surat 396447. Applies to the principal, JK High School, for the post of a teacher for English subject. Write an application on behalf of him. Here we can see that Mr. Ajay Parmar is applying for the post of a teacher for the English subject and applies to the principal, JK High School. Okay, so we have some details in this question. So let's start application writing. As we know very well that first of all we have to write down the address of applicant, Ajay Parmar, 17 Raj Society, comma. You must put comma here. Then Gandhi Road, comma, Surat, then dash 396447. So this is the address. You have to write down in 3 or 4 lines. Then write down the date. Here I wrote 20th February 2021. It is in British style. But you can write February 20, comma, 2021 also. It is in American style. Okay. Now move on to the recipient. To the principal, comma, JK High School, comma, Surat 396447. Now leave a line, then write down subject. An application for the post of a teacher for the subject of English. You have to write down like this. Okay. Then move on to the salutation. Respected sir or ma'am. Then put comma. Then write down the introductory paragraph. In response to your advertisement, published in the Gujarat Mitra, dated February 20. Here I wrote in American style 2021 for the above post. I apply for the same. My biodata is as below. So this is the introductory paragraph you have to write down. Then you know we have main 5 points, and out of these 5, first of all we will write personal details. So you have to write like this: personal details. In personal detail we will write 5 subpoints, and they are full name Ajay Parmar, 17 Raj Society, Gandhi Road, Surat 396445. We have to write down the address in 1 line here, not like above. Then write down the date of birth. You know very well how to write the date of birth. Here I wrote 7th June 1989. Then write down caste. Here I wrote Hindu Patel because our applicant is Ajay Parmar. I can write Hindu Parmar also. Okay. Nationality Indian. So here I completed the first point. Now move on to the second point of our application, and that is educational qualifications. Here I draw the table with 5 columns. First one is serial number, then degree or examination, then board and universities, then year of passing various examination, then percentage. So first of all we have to write down 2 basic degree, and that is SSC and HSC. The first one, SSC, secondary school certificate. It is passed from Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. Here I wrote some wrong here I have to write Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar. So please edit these things. Then HSC Higher Secondary School Certificate. This is from also Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar. In the column of year, I have written 2004 and 2016. How I wrote, I will explain you later. Then percentage, you have to write down the percentage whatever you got. Then move on to the third one. It is the application of a teacher. So you must have qualification of teacher, and that is BA, because the teacher of English has to pass BA from university. Here I wrote Gujarat University 2009, percentage whatever you got. Then master degree number 4, MA, Master of Arts. It is also from Gujarat University 2011, percentage here. Then move on to the professional degree, and that is B.Ed. It is also from Gujarat University 2013, and the percentage. Then master degree M.Ed also you can write if you have Gujarat University. If you haven't, then no problem. Then you must write the exam, TAT, Higher Secondary Teachers Aptitude Test. It is from Gujarat Examination Board and in the year of 2016. Now move on to the third point of the application, and that is experience. I have been serving as a teacher for English subject in AB School, Surat. You are serving in this school nowadays, so you have to write down this institute, AB School, Surat, since 2016. You have completed MEd and TAT in 2016, so you have to write down 2016. So I have 5 years experience. So first of all, you have to write down the experience. It is running 2021. You have to deduct 5 years from 2021. So experience, in experience you can write 2016. Okay. Then you have to write down various degrees. 2016 MEd of 1 year, so 2015. Then 2013 B.Ed of 2 years, then 2 years of master degree, 2011, then BA 3 years, 2009, then HSC 2016, then 2004. Here you have completed SSC in 2004, so you have to deduct 15 years from SSC, so you can write down your original birth date. Okay, now move on to the fourth point, and that is references. You have to write down 2 references. First one, the person of the institute in which you have studied, Mr. A.K. Patel, the principal, AB School, Navsari. And second one, you are serving nowadays, and that is Mr. P.J. Bhatt, the principal, AB School, Surat. This is the person or principal you are serving nowadays, so you have also written in the experience that I am serving in this school, AB School, Surat, and you also given the reference of that person here. Okay, so it is completed. Now write down the last paragraph, and that is, if I am given a chance to serve your institute, I assure you to satisfy you and all. This is the closing paragraph of the application. Then write down thanking you and yours faithfully. You know very well why is in capital letter, and you have to put comma, and then write down the applicant name, Ajay Parmar. And the last but important point, and that is enclosures. True copies of mark sheet, whatever you have got, SSC, HSC, BA, MA, B.Ed and MEd. Right now, and the second one is true copies of certificates. They are school leaving certificate and certificate of experience. Here we have completed the application number 1 as a practice. Now move on to the another application. First of all, what should we have to do? First of all, you have to study the question thoroughly. Here second one, who is the applicant? Riya Mistry. What is the address? Khadia Charasta, Ahmedabad. And she is applying to the manager, Swastik Graphics, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad, for the post of computer programmer. Here you can see you have to apply for the post of computer programmer, right? So let's start the application writing. First of all, the name of applicant, and that is Riya Mistry. The address of the applicant is Khadia Charasta, Ahmedabad, full stop, 27th February 2021. So this is the address and date you have to write down first of all. Then move on to the recipient, and that is to the manager, Swastik Graphics, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad. So this is also the address and the head of the recipient institute. Okay. Now move on to the subject. An application for the post of a computer programmer. Right. This is also completed. Now move on to the salutation. Respected sir or ma'am. Here you have to put comma. Then write down the introductory paragraph. In response to your advertisement published in Sandesh, here I changed the name of the newspaper. Here I wrote Sandesh, dated February 27, 2021, for the post of a computer programmer in your company. I would like to offer myself as a candidate for the same. So this is the introductory paragraph you have to write down. Now you know very well we have to write down 5 main points. And which one is the first? That is personal details. Okay. So in biodata, the first point is personal detail. Here you can write down personal details. In this point we have sub 5 points, and that is name, address, date of birth, marital status you can write down. Riya Mistry, Khadia Charasta, Ahmedabad, 7th June 1995. Here you can write down the marital status, unmarried or married, both, whatever. Here some points I added, and that is language known, and then nationality. I here also wrote hobbies, music, photography, gardening, reading, writing, you can write. Okay. Then the next point is educational qualification, and you know very well that you have to write down or draw a table with 5 columns, right? The first one is serial number, then exam, then board or university, year and percentage. The first one is the first degree you have passed examination, and that is basic, and that is SSC. And the second one is HSC. The board you know very well, Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. The same thing in HSC also, Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. And year 2010 and 2012, percentage whatever you got. Then move on to the third degree. You are applying for the computer programmer, so you must have the degree of computer. You can write BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, and as far as master degree is concerned, you can write Master of Computer Application. Here you can write the diploma also, diploma course of computer application, and GTU, the well-known university, Gujarat Technological University, Gandhinagar. Here the year you have passed and percentage whatever you have got. So these are the degree for the computer programmer, BCA and MCA. Is it okay? Now move on to the next point, experience. This is the important and the third point of the application. I have been serving as a computer programmer in Virat Industries Ahmedabad since 2017. So I have experience of 3 years, right? 17 plus 3. So 2021 you have to write down like this. Then the fourth and important point is reference. You know very well. First, the person of the institute in which you have studied. So here I wrote Mr. A.B. Patel, Principal, A.B. School, Ahmedabad. And the second one, you have to write down the person of the head in which you are serving, the institute in which you are serving. Here Virat Industries we are serving. Mr. D.K. Bhatt, Manager, Virat Industries, Ahmedabad. So these are the references. Now last and closing paragraph. If I am appointed in your company, I assure you I will try my best to satisfy you and all. Some more. I hope you will consider my application sympathetically and be kind to call me for an interview. This is somewhat added so you can impress the receiver or recipient of the application. And at the end, yours faithfully, Ria Mistry. And the last but important point, and that is enclosures. True copies of marksheet, SSC, HSC, BCA, MCA, the degree which you got, and then true copies of certificates. First one, school leaving certificate and experience certificate. So in this way we have completed the second application. I hope it is enough for you, enough practice, enough for the day. Goodbye, have a nice time.